Mazzy's stuck. Mazzy! Which one?
Mazzy.
It's in that one.
Mazzy.
Either those two.
Shh. Mazzy! 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 Hey! Mazzy!
She can't go to the other side.
Mazzy!
She can cross.
She can't cross. They have to be on this side.
Lower.
Be careful. You might chop her head off.
Come here! Meow!
Is she at the bottom or the top?
Mazzy!
Dummy.
I think she's in the middle.
Ma-
She's in the other one. The other one.
Shh, be quiet, be quiet.
She's in the other
Mazzy!
one.
She's in this one, I can hear her. She's over there. Mazzy! Meow!
So close it so that way you can open it.
Idiot. Mazzy. Meow. Hey. Hey. Are you stuck?
She's gonna piss all over my clothes.
Oh
Get her out of
my
there.
gosh.
She's gonna get all over my black sweaters and blue shirts and the colored.
Mazzy. Mazzy.
She's in the top one. The second to top one.
This one?
This one.
Yes. Open it.
Ready? She's gonna pop out. Do it slowly. What happened? What happened?
You stupid cat.
Were you stuck, Mamita? Were you stuck, Mama?
How'd you know where she was?
Because you can hear it. What happened?
Come
Yes.
here. Come here.
I heard her when I closed it. When I kicked the drawer, I heard
You closed her.
it. And when I went to the bathroom. I forgot about it.
What did you do?
Did Daddy lock you in there? Did Daddy lock you in there?
What happened, Mamita?
She wants out. How long has she been locked in there?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna shut it off now.
Okay.
Mazzy's getting tortured.
You don't hurry!